ThumbReel is a cloud-based application that helps you design thumbnails for your videos, for YouTube videos, Vimeo videos, or any kind of video out there. ThumbReel not only helps you design thumbnails for your videos, but also helps you remove backgrounds from your picture, so you can add your own picture in your thumbnail and add more text. It also helps you snap a screen capture from your existing video, so you can add text and everything and convert that into a thumbnail. Now, ThumbReel uses over 100 templates that have been designed by designers to make sure your videos stand out, get more attention, and also are good looking. Now, more than doing just designing a thumbnail, ThumbReel also helps you analyze your channel, analyze your thumbnails. It helps you track your traffic growth and so much more. So in this tutorial, we're going to walk into all of that, right? So first step first, let's create a thumbnail. So I'm going to go to create and choose templates. Now you get access to over 100 thumbnail templates, and these are the exact same thumbnail templates that are being used by hundreds and hundreds of YouTube content creators every single day. So you can be sure that these templates are designed to get you more attention, get you more views. So the easiest way is to simply just edit them a little bit and use them as they are. But let's pick our template and start editing it. Let's start with this one. I can either preview it, or I could just go ahead and start editing it. Now when I click on edit, the editor opens up and there are tons and tons of options of how you can edit your thumbnail. And once your thumbnail is loaded up, you can click on any of the text and you can edit them to whatever you want, right? You can remove the pictures, you can drag them anywhere you want. If you want, you can remove them. You can go ahead and you can search from millions of pictures that you can add with just one click. If I click on it, it's just going to add the picture onto the thumbnail, and I can drag it, resize it the way I want. I can bring it up, I can bring it back, I can bring it back up, I can delete it, I can do whatever I want. I can also choose from patterns to use them as backgrounds. I can also upload my own image. So for example, I want to add my own image, so it adds the thumbnail image over here, and I can resize it and I use it as a watermark or whatever I want. I can also change the background color if I don't want to use a background image. Now I can add tons of effects by simply customizing the background, selecting a layer and then just simply customizing it the way I want. There are tons and tons of options here for you to keep tweaking your your specific layer that you're trying to use. If I disable it, now what if I want to replace this person's picture with my own picture? I'm going to show that to you as well. But moving forward, if I want to add more text, I can simply click on this. It's going to add more text. I have 3 different text choices that I can do from. I can add them, I can change their font from hundreds of fonts, font size, color, customize them, add layer spacing, letter height, text opacity, and a lot of other features. Now these are very, very highly customizable options that are included in ThumbReel. Now if I go to Cinema, I've got option to add basic icons if I want to. I can add emoticons if I want to, and emoticons are really powerful and they stand out, help you get more more visibility on your thumbnail and get you more clicks on your videos. I can add a top or bottom layer just like this. I can bring it forward, I can move it back, I can write my text here if I want. I can drag this right over here and put it up front. I can move it back a little bit, bring it back front, move it back, move it front, whichever way I want. I can upload my own graphics if I want. That will show up over here. I can add more shapes if I want. If I want to add a border, I can add a border to any certain element. Change the color of this border and drag and resize it the way I want. There you go. And you can add different multiple shapes like these. You can add a shape like this, move it back, and it just lets you stand out a little bit. Then you can add border to your thumbnails. Different kinds of border options available. and you can either save it, publish it, or download. When you click on publish, it's going to open up a dialog box where you can actually select the YouTube channel and the YouTube video. So if I select my YouTube channel, I can select any video I want, and it's gonna go ahead and update this thumbnail on that specific channel right inside from the dashboard. Thumbnail changed successfully. I can also download this thumbnail if I want to, right over here. So downloaded it, and I can save this design, and I can later edit it. So it's saved as a template, so I can later edit it the way I want. Now, what if I want to add my own picture? So I'm going to go to remove background feature up here. I'm going to add a picture of mine. I'll process it, and it's going to remove all the background from this picture and just leave a cutout of me. So I can add my own cutout into the thumbnail. Now I can download this cutout, or I can just simply click on edit, and it's going to take me to a blank canvas where I can right over here go and select this. And let's say my video is about photography. So I'm going to do this, move it back, and there we are. Now if I wanted to take a snapshot, I can go to select snap from video. I'm going to select my YouTube channel, which I have connected, and I can pick any video from here that I have uploaded. These are all random videos, and once I click on it, it's just going to open up this little screen. Is going to play the video, and if I click on select the frame, it's going to select this frame. It's going to create a snapshot. The snapshot is right over here, and I can later go ahead and edit this snapshot into any thumbnail I want. Now this is all about creating thumbnails, creating winning thumbnails that get you perfect and more views, perfect attention, makes your video stand out. How about ranking and tracking everything? So there are advanced features. Now let's go into analysis. What analysis essentially does, it tells you whether your thumbnail is safe for Google or not. So let's upload this thumbnail that we just created. What analysis is going to do is going to scan this thumbnail and tell you whether Google can read all the text on these thumbnails, because if your text is readable and if Google can read the text in your image, in your thumbnail, it will take that text as a metadata and help you in your video ranking. So it tells you what this thumbnail is more about. It tells you, what kind of things are in the template, what kind of text are mentioned in the template. So if you have a keyword, a phrase, you should definitely write that keyword or phrase in the thumbnail. So when Google reads it, it helps in your SEO optimization. And it tells you if it's violating any of YouTube's content policies, so you are 100% sure and confident that your video is not going to be flagged by YouTube for any changes. So this is analysis. Now Thumb Ranker is a feature where you select your YouTube channel. It tells you, it scans your channel and understands your channel's history, studies the channel history, and tells you which YouTube video of yours needs their thumbnail to be changed in order to get better ranking. So if it says green over here, it means this video is fine, you don't need to change the thumbnail. But if it says red over any video, it means you should change the thumbnail of this video, and this will help you get more view. Once you change the thumbnail of this video, YouTube is going to give your video a little bit of boost to see if your video would perform better. So again, ThumbReel helps your older videos get more better ranking and more views as well if you follow the Thumb Ranker feature and upload a new thumbnail. Now the final one is video stats. Video stats is a page where you can track your entire YouTube channel and show you how many views, likes, dislikes, and comments your videos have. I will tell you why views. Now these are the number of views since yesterday. So follow this video. If I click on follow this video, what this will do is, if I come back tomorrow on this page, it will tell me how many views I had yesterday and how many views have grown since yesterday. So you can track, once you've changed your thumbnail, you can track how many extra views your new thumbnail has got you in. So as I can see, it says thumbnail changed 0 days ago, so there are no views on this one yet. But once I start following it, if I come back tomorrow, it's going to tell me I now have 5 views. So earlier there was just 1 view, but since I changed the thumbnail, my views have started increasing. So you can track all of this data using Video Stats Base. Now, this is all that ThumbReel lets you do. It's really easy to use, and it takes into account the smallest things that most designers, most video creators, most content creators don't think about, and help you get more attention, get more views from your videos by doing things that you would otherwise have not done. Now, again, if you have any questions regarding ThumbReel, if you need any new template, or if you have any feature suggestions, simply click on this little icon and reach out to us. Or otherwise, you can also reach out directly, email to our customer support team at support@vineasx.com, which is vineasx.com. Again, if you need anything else, please reach out to us. We are super excited to have you on board and look forward to helping you design better thumbnails and get more views on your YouTube and Vimeo videos. Cheers.